zucchini and coffee cake. Yes, that's what I'm doing today. It's a streusel coffee cake for breakfast, full of zucchini. Great way to use up that summer squash. First, grate your zucchini and set it aside. We'll need about 2 cups of shredded zucchini, 1 large or 2 small. Then whisk 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Whisk that together until it's combined. And then you're gonna set that aside and we'll deal with the wet ingredients. A 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, a large egg, and you're gonna whisk that together or stir that together until it's combined. Then add the dry ingredients in along with a 1/2 cup of milk, and you can use non-fat, regular, non-dairy, anything works. Stir that together until it's all moistened, and then stir in the shredded zucchini that you shredded before. You're gonna pour this into your prepared baking pan. Make sure that it's been sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. Then make the topping. 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar goes into 2 tablespoons of melted butter, along with a tablespoon of flour and a teaspoon of cinnamon. I like to mix that together with a fork and then sprinkle it all over the top. You're gonna bake this at 350. This is such an easy recipe. You can see how delicious and soft and moist it is. And yes, this recipe does not have coffee in it. That's by design. In the US, we make coffee cake for breakfast. It's like a cake to be served with coffee, not to have coffee in it. And this one with zucchini is one of my absolute favorites. If you don't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment and let me know what other breakfast coffee cake flavors you want to see, and keep watching for even more breakfast recipes.